Good morning.
So,
สวัสดีค่ะ Can you hear me?
how are you?
Oh, I'm so
I
excited
can hear
to
you.
interview you. First of all, I just tell you I'm not good at English, but I will try my best. Okay, first of all, let me introduce myself. My name is Manisa. You can call me Manisa for sure, or phone is my nickname. Today I will going to interview you about the normal question. It have around six question. Are you ready for this? Okay, first question. Where you from?
I'm from England.
And what your name? What is your name? Product. I can hear you.
Joe.
Joe. Okay, Joe.
Yeah.
This first question is: can you tell me a little about your country, about England?
Yeah. So England's it's part of the United Kingdom, and we're a small island in Europe. We've got nice countryside as well as big cities. Quite crowded. The weather's not very nice. It rains a lot, but we have a few sunny days, so it's nice here.
What city do you live in? England? What part of England?
I live near Northampton. It's right in the middle of the country. Yeah.
Oh, yeah, you have a British accent. Because you is a England guys. I think it's good accent.
Yeah.
And two question. What is the national food in your country? National food?
It's probably fish and chips.
Pardon?
Fish and chips.
Fish and chips. What is
Yeah.
that?
Have you heard of it before? So it's a fish, and it's battered and deep fried, and then it's served with, we call them chips, but they're like fries, you'd probably call them.
Oh, fine.
And then it's with salt and vinegar.
Oh, I heard that before.
Yeah, it's very popular in England.
And that is your country have a special traditional dress or costume?
Not really, no. I suppose when we get married, the girl always wears like a white wedding dress, and the man would wear a suit. That's probably the most sort of traditional sort of clothing that we had.
Oh, people wear those dress normally like that.
Just on the wedding, on the wedding day, they'll
okay.
Yeah, they wear the white dress.
I got it. And, what is a famous place in your country that people like to visit?
Probably London is probably the most famous, the capital city. So there's lots of different landmarks there. So you have Buckingham Palace, where the royal family lives, the Houses of Parliament, Big Ben, the big tower.
Big Ben.
Yeah.
I know some place in England, up for Glasgow. It is
Glasgow.
Because I'm a Harry Potter fan. Many people told this some city in the field like Harry Potter world.
Yeah.
Have you been before? Oxford, Glasgow.
I've been to Edinburgh and Glasgow
before.
Yeah.
It's a fantastic city. I want to go
nice
there.
Up there.
I want to go there. If I have a chance one day, I will go there.
Yeah.
Okay. Is there a famous song in your country? Famous song in England?
Not nothing. Not that I can really think of. Have you heard of the Beatles? They're really famous
in England.
and they're from England. Yeah, the Beatles.
Okay, I will listen. That's song.
Yeah.
Yeah, and the last question is: are there any famous movie or TV series from your country?
I think you probably said the main one, Harry Potter.
Yes, I think so.
Harry Potter.
Harry Potter is very famous in England.
Yeah.
You a Potterhead like me?
Not really.
Not
no.
really.
I don't mind it. It's okay.
Yeah, I got it. And I have the special mission for you. I will teach you to make the omelet Thai style.
Oh, yeah. You want me to make it now?
Yeah, are you comfortable?
Yeah. Yeah, let me go downstairs.
Thank you very much.
You have good English, by the way.
Yeah.
Your English is good.
Oh, thank you. But I think it's not really.
Bunny, eggs.
Yeah, the ingredient is egg. Yeah, and do you have a fish sauce?
Yeah.
Oh, do you really? You have a fish sauce in your kitchen? Oh, yeah, that's great. That's great. That's great. Fish sauce is the best ingredient in Thailand.
Yeah.
And do you have a vegetable or something meat? Vegetable?
Yeah.
Onion, like onion.
Hello?
Yes, that's good. You ready?
Yeah.
Okay, first step. You can crack the eggs inside the bowl and beat them well.
Okay.
Do you usually cook?
Yeah, quite a lot. I like making pad krapao.
Oh, pad krapao. Oh,
Yeah.
omelette style, so easy.
Yeah. Mix them together.
Yeah, and beat them well. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. That's good.
Okay.
Yeah. After that, you can add the fish sauce.
Just a little. No.
I think little because it's salt. Maybe 2 or 3 drops. And you can mix that again. And you can cut the onion and put it there. And mix together.
So I add the onion to the mixing bowl.
Yeah, mixing bowl.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's added.
Okay, that's step 2. Heat a pan or medium heat. And add enough cooking oil and wait until the oil is hot. In the pan. in the pan. The pan is ready.
Yeah.
Yes, you can pour the beaten egg into the pan and letting them spread evenly. Wait until the bottom start to turn golden. Wow,
It's nearly ready.
that's good.
I'll flip it.
That's okay, that's okay. It's hard to flip this.
I had to break it up a bit to flip it, but I'll show you.
Oh, that's okay, don't worry. When I cook, that's
Yeah.
like you.
Yeah.
It's very hard.
Is this side cooked enough?
Yeah, I think it's enough.
Yeah.
You can transfer it to the place.
Yeah.
Yeah,
How's it look?
it's done. I think it looks good.
Looks okay?
You can
Perfect.
try.
Okay.
How that's good? Or
Tasty. อร่อยมาก
อร่อยมาก Yeah. Oh, you're so
Yeah.
kind to
Yeah.
me. You're so very kind.
Pardon? That's okay.
Yeah. Thank you for this today. I'm very thank
That's
you
it.
so much for this today.
You're welcome.
And
Yeah.
nice to meet
Nice
you.
to meet you.
Nice to meet you, Joe.
Okay.
Hope
Bye, Manisa.
yeah, hope one day I will talk together.
Yeah. Okay.
Yes,
Good luck with your studies.
Thank you. ขอบคุณค่ะ ขอบคุณค่ะ
Bye-bye.
Bye bye. Have a
Bye.
nice day.
Bye.
Bye bye.
And you. Bye.
Bye bye.